I'm on a lovely little ride just to Dunston Hall for a spa day. I'm a little bit excited about that. I'm going to go and pick up my school friend Kim, who I've known since we were 11, and we're doing this for her 60th birthday celebration, and I will be joining her in about 5 months' time. Yay! 60's the new 40, and I'm riding with my new wings, look, in loving memory of my wingman Andy, 1964 to 2023, always riding by my side, always with me in spirit. And he gave me my wings, he's now got his, and I just wanted to remember that and tell other people that. Spread the word. Hello!
We're tracking you.
Yeah. Stay tuned for footage of Dunston Hall and to find out about their spa deal packages and to see some hijinks with us in the gym. Oh, a bit of comedy coming up. This lovely building here is Stoke Holy Cross Mill, and it was the home to Colmans Mustard from 1814 to 1862. The village name Stoke means outlying farm or settlement, and Holy Cross is dedicated to the church here. Here we are at Dunston Hall. We are now on the approach to Dunston Hall, which is a Grade 2 listed building. It was built in the 19th century in Elizabethan Revival style. It took 19 years to build and is actually built on the site of an older 17th century house. Records show that there were also 2 previous post-medieval houses here on the grounds. This building was bought by local businessman Keith Shaw in 1991, and it is now a hotel, health centre, golf course, business and event centre. Very nice, isn't it?
It's lovely, isn't it?
It is, but nobody puts baby in the corner. We're going to put Karina and Kim there though. Questions. Oh, if I was you, Kim, I'd put the back at the top. It's my 60th! Yay!
Yay.
Here we
It's all
go.
good.
This one just made me go, oh God, are you on any medication or any medical supervision? If yes, please give details below. I need a whole page for that. I'm going to lie. No, I'm fine. There's a gym here. We're going to go to the gym. Miss Spinner here, she's very good at this sort of thing. Me, I'll have a little go on the treadmill and try not to come shooting off the end. There you go, that's me doing my exercise. Yeah, because I wouldn't fall off that board at all, would I? Oh, see, now I used to do that. I used to be able to squat 10 stone. Not anymore. Just about managed to carry my own weight.
Ouch.
Ouch, yeah. Yeah, that's definitely me. We've got so distracted by all these things. We don't even know where we're going. We're trying to find the changing rooms, but we'll carry on down here, yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, you're the oldest one of us. So you're the wise one.
Right.
You're the wise one.
Wise one.
I'll let you lead the way.
This way.
Okay.
I want to see you doing this
Okay.
later on, once we've warmed up.
Okay. That's easy. I'll do that.
Without breaking anything.
Yeah. Kim just went, ooh, look at that. And I'm like, yeah, just look at that.
We've got rowers and we've got spinners.
Oh, she's a spinning queen. I'm going to have a go, just for a laugh. What have I got to do? I've got to set something up, have I? What, so I can reach it? Oh, yeah, this is a bit high. Hold on, bear with. Oh, right.
You strap your feet in.
Strap my feet in.
Just pull your tag up.
Oh my God, what, I've got to bend down there and pull a oh my God.
Your tag's right down low. Leave it back in.
Right, okay.
That's
Ready?
just emergency stop button.
Right, I've pressed it, can't do any more.
Emergency stop.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, look at you, you're just whizzing it. She's an animal! This is a joke. I think someone's set mine at extra dense. She reckons these are the same. They're not. Oh my God, I can hardly walk. She's a spinning beast. I don't think I even did a minute. 4 hours ago. And then I'm going to do this stairway thing. I could probably manage it without it being on, just about. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I did it! Still spinning. Oh, I've got to get down now. Okay. No one believes that years ago, I used to go to the gym every day. I was a gym junkie. Oh, this is easier. I don't think I've got this set on anything though. It's like, well, I could do this without. Oh dear, this, I think I've got this a bit too easy. Oh, okay, so we've got to do select. Go, right. Oh yeah, that's more like it. Oh, look, I've done 20 metres. Oh, 30 metres. Well, I did actually enjoy that run, but it's taken me 5 minutes to do 800 metres. What did you used to run the 800 metres in?
Oh, couldn't do it now. Couldn't even walk.
What did you do that as well? Kim ran the 800, I used to run the 1500, and I think my top time for the 1500 was 6:12, which sounds a lot now, but back in the 80s, 70s, late 70s, that's quite good for a woman. I used to run for the school. Yeah, until I found cigarettes and alcohol, and it all kind of went downhill from there.
Yeah, there's no rugby.
Oh yeah, then that is a funny story, isn't it? This is a funny story. So it would have been about 1979, 80. We decided, so girls used to play hockey and netball, and the boys used to play football and rugby, yeah? And we decided that we wanted in on the rugby, and we wanted to go and have a go, like we do it in unison. We wanted to have a go, didn't we? So we had our lunch, we got all our gear on, we snuck out onto the rugby pitch at lunchtime with our gear, and Chippy, the headmaster, comes storming over and went, "Don't you dare! You step 1 foot on that pitch and you're all in a week's detention." Something like that. So we went, "Well, why? Why can't we play rugby?" "Girls don't play rugby." And we went, "Well, why?" "Because you've got these. It's not done." "Yeah, tell that to the Women's England rugby team, would he?" Kim's saying how wrong it is that we weren't allowed to play rugby, and I can't get my feet out.
You unclipped, right?
Oh, right.
On the dryer machine.
So why do you need a +1, Karina? I said we've got to have a go at this, but I'm going to let Kim do it, because I'll fall off. Right, so let's go. We started on beginner. Do you reckon I could?
Yeah, you could do this one.
Go on then, I'll have a go.
That's it.
Start workout. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go then.
Oh, there you go. If you push your up arrows, it goes quicker.
No, I think I could even do quicker. Oh. I've got to look down to see where I'm putting my foot.
Yep.
I can't look ahead.
What your hand is your emergency stop button. Red button.
No.
Right, now you're going for it.
I'm on 5. That's it, it's me done, my legs start to go down.
Yay!
Oh, that's the worst bit, treadmill. Oh, where's this? Some sort of baseball player. I must be in America somewhere. Doesn't tell me where I'm walking. Anyone know where I'm walking? Near a baseball stadium. Kim's on the beach.
Yeah, I'm on the beach, going to go for a swim in a minute.
I'm still some baseball city somewhere. I do keep overtaking people. That's very exciting. It's a long time since I've done that. I'm definitely in America because there's the American flag. Coming down to Marina or some sort. Oh, I want to know where I'm walking. Okay, this is exciting. It looks like I'm coming up to a pier of some sort of a sign. I might get a clue where I am. Oh no, and then the screen just changed before I got there. Where are we? Oh, Pier 28. We're Pier 28 somewhere. Look, I'm walking along, I'm at leisurely pace, but I'm going to overtake the jogger. I love it. This might be a bit more of a clue, like a bow and arrow. So I was thinking Pier 28, maybe San Francisco, but not the bow and arrow. Sherwood Forest. I'm in England. Sherwood Forest. Oh, I don't think so. I don't know. I'm still going a bit with San Fran. Excuse me, can you tell me where I am, please? How rude. They just looked at me and ignored me. City with trams? San Fran trams? I don't know. I'm in hordes of people. See, that's got to be a big pier entrance, isn't it? Or station or something. Kim hasn't seen anybody. No, just got water and sand and... yeah. Apart from me, of course, there we both are, like, hi! Now pigeons, blooming pigeons get everywhere. So a little story for you, Kim, right? Yep. I get loads of pigeons on my decking, on the balustrade and stuff. Yeah. They keep pooping everywhere. Right. And it really annoys me. Yeah. So I bought all this sharp stuff, like pigeon stuff, that I had to double-sided stick down and put it all along. I mean, it looks horrible, but I'm like, well, at least it's better than pigeon poo. Yeah. Apart from, they just balance on top of the little spikes and look through the window at me and carry on pooping. Oh. Catapult? Yeah, I think it might have to be. It is San Francisco. This is the tower that I went to that I vlogged about, but I didn't because I deleted everything accidentally. I know where I am. There's the big tower. It's San Francisco. And I've actually been there. And we drove down here as well. It's the steepest hill. And I did film it all, but I deleted the vlog. So there you go, you got it now. And I rode on one of them. Yes, even chairs you can lay down on, look. I need an afternoon nap. I'm cream crackered. It kind of feels like there should be a cinema screen or something there though, look. Yeah. Perhaps they do have an outdoor thingy. You're putting yourself in the corner again, Kim. I'm in the corner. You just want me to come and do that dance with you, don't you? I'll skip on the lift though, alright. We had a nice day, we had a nice spa. We washed all our hair before we got out the swimming pool, and then forgot that we had a scalp massage.
And it's oily.
And now we've got to put these on.
They'll smell nice.
Yeah, removable liners. Might need a bit of a wash. Well, what a wonderful day. Happy birthday, Kim. And if you enjoyed this, then please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your mates. It's much appreciated. We had a special offer package deal today. It costs £79 each, which includes the use of the pool, the sauna and the steam room, the jacuzzi, which unfortunately wasn't working today. It also includes the use of the gym, a nice walk around in the grounds. It includes use of the bar, any of the facilities really apart from the golf course, and an afternoon tea. So all that's left to say is ta-ta for now.